Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Cheers. My hand ain't 100% yet, but at least it's moving a little bit, so it is what it is. Nerve damage just sucks. It just sucks. Today, what am I going to do today? I'm going to do a pepper steak today. And before I get 100 comments, no, this ain't traditional pepper steak. This is the way I make it. This is the way I eat it. And so that's what I'm going to do. What I got here? Top round steak. I got two of them. They're just over a pound each. I'm probably going to cut this up. They're both the same thing. Probably going to cut them up in thirds. We'll see. I got a couple green peppers. I got a honker ass onion. Some beef stock. What's this here sauce? I got a can of original Rotel. We're going to need some salt and pepper and garlic powder, a little olive oil, and a thing of this beefy onion. I've got one envelope in there, so. And I got some flour to dredge the meat in before I fry it. So let me get the veggies washed and cut up, get the meat cut up, and then we'll be back in a minute. Okay, I got my veggies cut up. I just sliced them up, and I actually cut those steaks in fourths, almost fourths. So we're going to season them up, and I'm going to do both sides of this. And, I'll just do a couple now, show you how I did it. Put some salt and fresh cracked jack on there. Flip them over and do it again. So, let me get that done, we'll be right back. Yeah, I did put garlic powder on both sides of this. I don't think I did that a while ago, but now we're just going to drench in this flour a little bit. Just want a light coating on it. So, just like that. Let me get these done, get the skillet hot, and we'll be back at the stove in just a minute. Okay, I got my bottom of my skillet covered in olive oil here, and it's just come to the smoking point. I'm probably going to have to do this meat in batches, so we just want to sear it off pretty good. We get this browned up on both sides, and then do the other four pieces, and then we'll be back to show you what we look like. Okay, you see I flipped my meat over, and that's the color I got on it. That's what I'm looking for. So we're going to finish the other side here and do them other four pieces, and then we'll be back. Okay, I got all my meat cooked, or browned up, and now we're going to build this pepper steak. I did turn my fire down, so I'm just going to deglaze this skillet. There wasn't my fire alarm. Pause. Okay, hopefully the smoke alarm don't go off again. So I got my Rotel in there. Now I'm going to add this soup mix. Just give that a mix. And then we're going to come back with a bunch of what's this here sauce. And yeah, I mean a bunch. That's a bunch. Give this a mix. Put a little beef stock in there. You can see the bottom of the pan is pretty well cleaned off. So
easy for you to clean when it's done.
yep, it's always good to deglaze your skillets. Now we're going to put our meat back in there. Put all them juices back in there. Let's see, did I forget anything? Not yet. So, put the rest of the beef stock in. Come on, get in there. And then we got to put our peppers and onions in there. And like I say, this is by no means traditional. It's just the way I do it. So, give us all a good mix. Put some of the veggies down in that liquid. Then we're going to put a lid on this. I'll let it simmer for probably 90 minutes. So as this get to a simmer stage, we'll turn it down real low and just let it go. So, we'll be back in whenever it's done. See you. Okay, that's what I ended up with. I cooked this meat covered for about a half hour, 40 minutes, and then I cooked it uncovered for about an hour and 15 minutes. And I'll serve mine on mashed potatoes. I save my rice for when I do red beans and rice. So, let's give this a taste. I did taste it about halfway through the cooking area just to see if I needed to add anything, and I didn't. So, let's give it a try. Yum. Yeah. It's just how I make it, folks. I like it this way, and so that's what I did today. Get off of there. Come on, man. So I'm gonna go eat. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.